Saram students, hope you all are fine. Today let us revise political science, lesson number 3, what is government? Children, in this lesson we will revise about levels of government, laws and the government, types of government and democratic government. But today let us revise about levels of government and laws and the government. Now let us begin with the revision. Children, what do you mean by the word government? Government is the mechanism or groups which governs and implements decisions in an organized manner, formed under certain written rules. Children, why do we need a government? Every country needs a government to make decisions and get things done. These can be decisions about where to build roads and schools, or how to reduce the price of onions when they get too expensive, or ways to increase the supply of electricity. And the government also takes action on many social issues. For example, it has several programs to help the poor, and it does other important things such as running postal and railway services. And the government also has the job of protecting the boundaries of the country and maintaining peaceful relations with other countries. And the government is also responsible for ensuring that all its citizens have enough to eat and have good health facilities. And when there are natural disasters like the tsunami or an earthquake, it is the government that mainly organizes aid and assistance for the affected people. Children, what happens if someone commits a crime? If there is a dispute or if someone has committed a crime, you find people in a court. So, courts are also part of a government. Children, can you tell what does the government do for the welfare of its citizens? The government does a variety of works for the welfare of its citizens. It makes decisions and gets things done. And it builds roads and schools. It takes decisions about how to reduce the price of essential goods when they get too expensive, or ways to increase the supply of electricity. And it supervises postal and railway services. At the time of natural calamities, it organizes aid and assistance for the affected people, and it makes laws for the safety of its citizens. For example, there is a law that says that all persons driving a two-wheeler must wear helmet. Children, how does the government manage to do this? And why is it necessary for the government to do so? We know that the human beings, they live and work together. So, there needs to be some amount of organization so that decisions can be made, and some rules have to be made that apply to everyone so that there is a sense of uniformity. Children, why government needs to control resources and protect the territory of a country? The government, it needs to control resources and protect the territory of a country so that the people, they can feel secure. And the governments, they do this on behalf of their people by exercising leadership, taking decisions and implementing these among all the people living in their territory. Now let us revise about levels of government. Children, we know that the government has many responsibilities. And can you tell what are the 3 different levels at which the government works? The government, it works at 3 different levels. It works at the local level, at the state level, and at the national level. The local level, it means in your village, town or locality. And the state level, it would mean that which covers an entire state like Haryana or Assam. And the national level relates to the entire country. Children, can you tell some examples of institutions that are part of the government? Some examples of institutions that are part of the government are the Supreme Court, the Indian Railways, and Bharat Petroleum. Now, let us revise about the laws and the government. Children, we know that the government, it makes laws, and everyone who lives in the country has to follow these laws. Just like the government has the power to make decisions. Similarly, it has the power to enforce its decisions. That is, the decisions that they have taken, they have to execute them. They have to apply it to the people to follow those laws or those decisions. Children, we can take an example. There is a law that says that all persons driving a motor vehicle must have a license, and any person caught driving a vehicle without a license can either be jailed or fined a large sum of money. And without these laws, the government's power to make decisions is not of much use. And children, there are also steps that people can take if they feel that a particular law is not being followed. If a person feels, for example, that they were not hired for a job because of their religion or caste, then he or she may approach the court and claim that the law is not being followed, and the court can then give orders about what should be done. Now children, let's discuss. Why do you think the government needs to make rules for everyone in the form of laws? Government needs to make rules for everyone in the form of laws because it helps in preventing the authority from the misuse of their powers. It helps in the functioning of the government. It helps the people in leading their normal and peaceful life. And it ensures the security of the nation and its people. Now children, let's do a quiz. Tick the correct option. The government works at state level means it covers an entire dash. A. Village, B. State, C. Locality, D. All the above. What's the correct option? Yes, B. State. The government works at state level means it covers an entire state. Second one, every country needs a dash to make decisions and get things done. A. Government, B. Court, C. Society, D. Both A and B. What's the correct answer? Yes, A. Government. Every country needs a government to make decisions and get things done. Third one, what are an important part of the government? A. Courts, B. Private organizations, C. Public schools, D. Parliament. What's the correct option? Correct. A. Courts. Courts are an important part of the government. Now children, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, the government makes laws and everyone who lives in the country has to follow these. A. True, B. False. What's the correct option? Correct. A. True. Second one, the government works at the local level, state level and at the national level. A. True, B. False. What's the correct option? Yes, A. True. Third one, the government does not take action on social issues. A. True, B. False. What's the correct option? Yes, B. False. Very good, children, those who have guessed the answers correctly. Children, today we have done the revision of Political Science lesson number 3. We shall continue with the revision of this lesson in our next class. Till then, goodbye children.